ask, first of all, I'm going to ask Lion, can you give us a sentence with blooming?
In the spring, the flowers are blooming, so many.
That's beautiful. Excellent sentence, Lion. So in the spring, he's given me details. He's told me when. The flowers are blooming. Okay, so you could say the flowers are blooming so much. You just say the flowers are blooming. Lion, do you want to put beautifully on the end?
Yeah.
In the spring, the flowers are blooming beautifully. Yeah? So change the end and write beautifully. Excellent, Lion. I'm going to give you extra points for that. Really lovely sentence. Good boy. Okay. Ben, I want to hear a sentence from you using blooming, please.
My flowers are blooming in the pretty garden.
Oh, lovely. I'm going to give you extra points as well. You've told me some details there. You've told me where the flowers are blooming in the garden, and you've used an adjective, the pretty garden. Good boy. That's really excellent. Good job. Okay, I'm going to go next to Anne. To Anne, can you use a sentence or tell us your sentence with blooming?
The sunflowers blooming in summer.
The flowers are blooming in summer. Nice, that's lovely. Can you put an adjective like in the hot summer or in the colorful flowers are blooming in summer? Yeah, can you put an adjective in there and I can give you extra points? Yeah, can you do that now, Tuan? Good girl. Okay, Perry, give us a sentence using blooming.
The flowers are blooming.
Okay, so do you say flower or flowers?
Flowers.
Do you have an S? Can you put an S at the end of your flower? The flowers are blooming. You could use an adjective in there, Perry, before flowers to describe the flowers, couldn't you? Like the beautiful flowers are blooming. Or add some details. The beautiful flowers are blooming in spring. Yeah, so if you add those extra details, then I can give you extra points. Okay, well done, Perry. Let's move on to Robert. Robert, let me hear your sentence using blooming.
In spring, the flower in my mom's garden is blooming.
Okay, good boy. So you've used details, lovely. So you need to say did you say in spring, the flowers, or my mum's, or my flowers?
The flowers in my mom's garden
are blooming. Yeah, good boy. Can you add an adjective before garden?
Cute.
Oh, lovely. Okay, can you put that in? Excellent, good boy. Okay, Lily, can you use a sentence? Let's move on. Yeah, one more. Can you use a sentence with blooming, Lily?
The flower is blooming in the spring.
The flower is blooming in spring. Yeah, lovely. Okay.
Do we need to write it into the notebook?
Yes, please, darling. Yeah. And Lily, could you use an adjective before flower? Are you talking about one flower or more than one flower, Lily?
One flower.
Okay, good. So can you use an adjective before flower?
A pretty flower is blooming in the spring.
Okay, good girl. Can you write that now, please, darling? Write that. Excellent. Well done, Lily. Okay, let's move on to our next vocabulary word, which was shovels. I'm going to ask Potato. Potato, can we hear your sentence using shovels?
The children use the shovel to dig muddy dirt out.
To dig muddy dirt out. Out of what?
Out of the
Out of the ground?
Yes.
Okay, so can you add out of the ground onto your sentence, yeah? Good boy, nice one. Okay, Kat, really quickly.
Shovel is a good thing to dig.
Do you dig the shovel or do you use a shovel to dig?
Use a shovel to dig.
So you could say shovels are good tools for digging. Yeah?
Okay.
Shovels are good tools for digging. Okay? Good girl. Okay, Casper, make a sentence using with shovels.
The shovel is a good digging tool.
Shovels are good digging tools. Can you change that? Shovels are good digging tools. Excellent. Okay. Pony pepperoni. Okay.
Hello.
A sentence, please, using shovels.
Shovels are used to dig holes on the ground.
Yeah, I used to dig holes in the ground. Yeah?
In the dirty ground.
Good girl. Okay, make sure that you put those details. Beautiful. Okay, let's go on to our next word. Okay, so our next word, scent, is a little bit more tricky. Okay, Susie, what sentence did you make with scent?
Roses have a sweet scent of smell.
So you're a good girl. Excellent. So you say roses have a sweet scent, full stop. Okay? That's all you need to say, because remember, scent is a nice smell. So you're saying roses have a sweet smell. Yeah, full stop. Good girl. Okay, John, are you there? Okay, John, what's your sentence using scent?
Dirt has a bad scent.
Okay, dirt has a bad scent. Okay, John. So when we say scent, it means really like a good smell. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give you your extra points for that, John. Well done, because you were describing the smell of soil. Okay, Thomas, can you give us a sentence with scent, please? Say that again.
A perfume is scent.
The perfume is scent. So you're saying the perfume is smell. So you could say the perfume has a sweet scent, or the perfume has a beautiful scent. Yeah? Or the perfume has a floral.
What's a
scent.
perfume?
Perfume is, you know what people spray on them to make them smell nice. Do you know?
I know.
Yeah, okay. All right, well done, Thomas. Just change that for me, okay? Good boy. Okay, Alex, really quickly, can you tell me your sentence using scent?
I smell the flower smelling scent.
Okay, so you could say, in my garden, there are many flowers that have a sweet scent. Yeah, in my garden. So you need to write it again, Alex. In my garden, there are many flowers with a sweet scent. Yeah, can you write that, Alex? Good boy. Okay, last one for scent. I'm going to go to Tom. Can I hear your sentence with scent, please?
Scent some cakes in the kitchen.
Okay, so scent is like describing the smell. So I can smell a sweet scent from the kitchen. Yeah. Or the cookies have a sweet scent. Yeah? Can you change that, Tom? Okay, Leo, we're going to go on to the final word, which was tough. Leo, can I hear your sentence using tough, please?
The hard car tires was very tough.
The hard car tires were very tough, or are very tough. Yeah? Good boy, excellent, well done. Okay, Nick, can I hear your sentence using tough, please?
A heavy hammer can be tough.
A heavy hammer is tough. Yeah, okay, cool. Well done. Okay, Jack.
The red brick is tough.
Good boy. Well done. The red brick is tough. I like that. And last one, Mia.
The skin of the huge green alligator is very tough.
Good girl. Excellent. Beautiful. Nice adjectives. Okay. So well done, everybody, for the homework. You'll be getting extra points because I've seen you've used details and adjectives. Lovely sentences. Okay. So from yesterday, you need this notebook that you were making these columns because we need to finish our words, okay? So we're going to write number 5 onto our column under word number 5, okay? So everybody needs to do that now. So I'm going to ask Dragon, what do you notice or what do you see in these pictures? Dragon, where are you? Is your camera on? Dragon, so you can say, in the first picture, I notice.
In the first picture, I noticed a vegetable.
Yeah, a vegetable. Okay. In the second picture, I notice.
A grandma.
A grandma or an old person. Yeah. Can you say, in the final picture, I notice?
A soul.
Okay, so can you say, in the final picture, I notice?
In the final picture, I noticed
It's a walrus.
walrus.
Okay, how are they all similar, Dragon? What do you notice? How are they all similar? What's the illustration showing you?
I don't know. Because I don't know the word. They are all alive. We don't know the word.
You don't know?
I just know the word in Vietnamese. I don't know in English.
Ah, okay. Does anybody know the word in English? Jack?
Old.
Old? Do you think,
Yeah.
Okay, maybe something to do with getting old, for sure. Anybody else know? Tom?
I just know it in Vietnamese.
Okay, right, let's have a look at the word, okay? So the word is wrinkled, okay? Everybody, I want you to say wrinkled. Wrinkled. Okay, can everybody make their face wrinkled? Can you make your face wrinkled? Kat, can you make your face wrinkled? Let me see your face wrinkly. Can you make it wrinkled? Oh, good job, Leo. Leo's got wrinkles at the top of his face. Let me see who else can make wrinkles. Yeah, Dragon, you've made some wrinkles on the top of your face. Nick, can I see some wrinkles?
I don't know.
You don't know how to do it. Like, can you see my wrinkles? Yeah. Oh, John, yeah, I can see your wrinkles. And Robert. Nice. Okay. So wrinkled has many small folds. Okay. So let's write down wrinkled. Okay. Let's write it down together. So here there are some clues of what our synonym might be. So let me ask Leo, what could be a good synonym for wrinkled?
Fold.
Folds, yeah, nice. Okay, so many folds, good boy. So for synonym now, I'm going to write many folds. So let's write together many. And then I'm just going to draw really quickly, try to draw an old person's face with some wrinkles. 5 seconds to do that, and then we need to read our context card. So everybody repeat after me. Wrinkled.
Wrinkled.
Okay, Thomas, can you read the sentence for us and we will copy you?
A raisin is a dried
Miss
wrinkled
Lottie.
grape, but it is still sweet.
Brilliant. Good reading. Let's everybody read that sentence now, please. Ready? Raisin. Okay, well done. Good job. So wrinkle. Okay. Okay, next 3 pictures. What do you notice or see? John.
Miss Lati,
Yeah.
what is the similar of wrinkle?
Synonym of wrinkled is many folds. Many folds. Okay. So, John, what do you notice in these pictures?
The first picture, I see the.
Okay, Alex, can you help John? What do you notice in the first picture, Alex?
In the first picture, a piece of grass.
Yeah, so we say like fields. Yeah, you can see green fields. Yeah. And John, what do you notice in the second picture?
I see a t-shirt.
You see a t-shirt, and the final picture?
I see a pizza.
Can you say in the final picture, I can see a pizza?
In the final picture, I can see a pizza.
Say pizza.
I know what the word.
Okay, what do you think? How are they all similar, John? Can you think? You know when it's like opposite to fancy? What would be opposite to fancy? Like the pizza doesn't have much on it, does it? The t-shirt doesn't have much on it, and the fields don't have much on them. What's that word when something's quite simple?
Plain.
Yeah, whoever said that? Plain, okay? Good job. So we are going to write number 6, plain, okay? So
P-L-A-I-N, plain.
and a synonym for plain. Can you tell me one, Ben?
Normal.
Normal, not really. Good guess, but not really. To Anne, what could be a synonym for plain? Can you see it? Can you see at the bottom to Anne? There's some words there for you.
I see no fancy.
Okay, yeah. So let's have a look. So we could put simple is our synonym, okay? So let's write it S-I-M-P-L-E. And I'm going to draw a t-shirt, a plain t-shirt, okay? So a t-shirt with nothing on it. It's plain.
Miss Lati,
Yeah?
now I know that plain has 2 meanings.
Yeah, what's the other meaning?
The plain like a grassland.
Yeah. You're right. Yeah, good boy. Okay, so that's number 6. Let's all read. I want everybody to say plain.
Plain.
Okay, Kat, can you read this card for us, and everybody will repeat after you.
The plant on the left is plain. The plant on the right is fancy.
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 Okay, everybody, let's read.
The plant on the left is plain. Plain, and the plant on the right is fancy.
Okay, awesome. Okay, next one. Leo, what do you notice?
I guess the word is strong.
Strong? Yeah, you think it's strong? That's a good guess. What's the thing that you like that you have in the body that you make strong?
Muscle.
Muscles. Yeah, muscles. Okay, let's write number 7, muscles. Okay.
M-U-S-C-L-E-S. Muscles.
And it's parts of the body used to help you move and do things. Yeah, you need your muscles to help pick up things and move your body. You know this from science, right? So that's your synonym. Okay, and everybody say muscles.
muscles.
Well done. Perry, can you read this sentence and we will repeat after you?
It takes strong
Muscles.
produce a lot of wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow. Listen to me, Perry, and you repeat after me, Perry, okay? It takes strong muscles to use a loaded wheelbarrow. Okay, everybody, let's read the sentence. I need to hear you reading it. Let's go. It Good job, well done. Muscles. Okay, let's look at our final word for today. Robert, what do you notice, or how are these pictures similar?
I think the word is opposite.
Opposite, good guess, yeah. So what do you notice in the pictures? What are they doing?
They are one is a girl shaking her head up and down and
Shaking her head up and down. Do you know
And,
what we call this, Robert? If I try to say yes to you, I go like that. Do you know what that's called? Tom?
Nodded.
Good boy, nodding, okay? So this is nodded, it's in the past tense. I nodded to Robert, yeah? So let's write number 8, nodded.
Nodded.
And it's when you move your head up and down to show that you agree. Yes, I nod, I nodded, I'm nodding, okay? Susie, have you got a synonym for nodded?
I think it's agree.
Okay, let's have a look. Agreed, yeah? So agreed means you're saying yes to your friend or to who you are talking to, yeah? So let's write synonym agreed, A-G-R-E-E-D. I agreed, I nodded.
Miss Lottie, but I write that move the head up and down.
Okay, that's fine. So you need to draw a little picture of maybe a head, and then you could draw an arrow down and up. Yeah, nodded, okay? So everybody say nodded.
Nodded.
Okay.
Nodded.
Jack, can you read the sentence for us and we will copy you?
The girl nodded
And down to show that
he would help in the garden.
Okay, everybody, let's read.
The girl nodded
Excellent. Okay, so these are our 8 vocabulary words, okay? So everybody repeat after me. Blooming,
Blooming.
shovels,
Shovel.
scent, tough, wrinkled, plain, muscles,
Muscle.
nodded.
Nodded.
Okay. So you now need to write 4 more sentences, okay? And write 1 question using one of the vocabulary words. And you need to read The Ugly Vegetable twice. So tomorrow we will read The Ugly Vegetables, so we need to make sure that everybody knows the story already, okay?
Okay, let's have a look at Jojo for your points. Okay, so there was really lovely homework that I saw, great sentences. So Alex, I'm going to give you participating and working hard. Ben, participating and working hard. Casper, participating, working hard. Cat, participating, working hard. Dragon, participating and working hard. Jack, the same. John, Are these all your points for science as well? Yeah. Leo, well done. Lily, well done. Ryan, Mia, Nick. So I will check your sentences, and if you have added more details, when we get back to school, I can give you stickers for them, okay? Tato, well done. Who's that? Oh, Robert, working hard. Rico, oh Rico, I didn't see you, and I didn't check your homework. Susie, participating, working hard. Thomas. Yeah? Where were you, Rico? You weren't in lesson today. Matthew didn't call me. I didn't see you. You didn't come up on my screen. So it says that you weren't there. Okay? So I see Rico in the Zoom. Did you? I didn't see Rico in the Zoom. Okay, Rico. I will check your homework and then I will give you your points, okay? Yeah, I have amazing. Okay, Rico, can you tell me a sentence using blooming? As spring, every flower is blooming. Did you say in spring? As spring. So you say in spring? Yeah, change it. In spring, every flower is blooming. Are you sure that every flower is blooming? Some flowers are blooming. Could you also use an adjective before flowers? So if you want extra points, Rico, I need to hear some more details in your sentence, okay? So can you add that and I can give you an extra point? Yeah? Okay, there you go. I've given you your points, okay? Has anybody else got any other questions? Okay.
So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, ready to read The Ugly Vegetables. And I'll check homework tomorrow, okay? Good job, everybody.
Bye-bye.